Are you guys ready for this? Stay tuned, you're gonna see all of these cars up close in detail out of the package. Hold on to your socks. I've got Hot Wheels Car Culture, Case L, Street Tuners. Welcome back, Hot Wheels collectors. It's a beautiful late July afternoon out here in the backyard, and today I have a super exciting assortment of vehicles from Hot Wheels Car Culture Street Tuners. This is the latest release at this time of filming. Case L, as it's known. 2 of each vehicle found in this case. I was lucky enough to find 2 complete sets of 5 at my local Walmart here in Southern Ontario. They are hitting in Canada as of yesterday, apparently, according to the forums. Not slated to hit the American market until sometime in September. Hopefully they find their way there sooner for you guys that are looking for them. But let's get right into this. I'm going to be cracking open a full set of these cars to look at in detail, loose out here in the natural sunlight. And we'll also look at this amazing packaging and artwork. Beforehand, we're going to discuss previous releases of these cars and any other details, release dates. One of these cars is a brand new casting, never seen before this series. If you guessed the Pandem Suburu BRZ as the first ever release, that's correct. This car has never been released by Mattel before. We're going to open it up for the first time on camera and take a good look at it, but first let's just appreciate this amazing artwork. Check out the neon lights under the car, the smoke all around the cars, that awesome, what looks to be like maybe a shipping yard in the background or some sort of industrial park. Really quite cool. On the back, all the packages are going to be basically the same, exactly the same actually, but of course the packaging for each has its own unique car related to the car in the packaging. So let's, without further ado, get these out of the package very quickly. But first we'll take a look at each of the cars up close with its artwork. Now, I am quite fortunate to have been able to find 2 complete sets, as I said, at my local Walmart. This almost never happens here in Canada. Normally I'm the one waiting for a shipment from the US through eBay. But just look at the artwork on these cars. Amazing, amazing artwork. And the cars themselves, well, you're going to see just how amazing they are if you can't tell already once we get them out of the package here. 95 Mazda RX-7. Super awesome. There it is again. And finally, Nissan Silvia S15. Gorgeous. If I didn't have 2 sets, it would pain me to open these up for you, but thankfully I do. We're going to start with the Pandem Suburu BRZ. Dropped it right off the bat. Wow, just adjusting that spoiler. It's been a little stuck in the package for a while, perhaps not too long though. Check it out, guys. Rubber tires, of course. All metal body and chassis. Just wicked. Alright, let's get the next car out of the package for you. Love how all of the cars have full details all the way around and extremely realistic paint jobs. There's nothing over the top here. No absurd tampos, just all out realism. We're moving backwards through the series. It's 1 through 5. Here's number 4. That one was brand new, the last one we just talked about. Number 4 has seen the most releases before. 17 in mainline or basic releases, that meaning basic wheels. This package just got demolished, unfortunately. Getting that car out on camera for you. 3 previous releases with basic wheels in Fast and the Furious sets throughout the past few years. This is the first premium release of this car ever, to my knowledge. Featuring, of course, rubber tires, as they all do. Let's see if we can keep the focus here, because we need this to focus to show just how awesome this car is. Listed as the #1 or #2, I believe, in the Hagerty Insurance, Classic Car Insurance, most appreciating car in the market at this point. I believe what I was reading in my Hagerty magazine subscription just the other day, that a real Honda S2000 is increasing to the tune of 200% year over year in value. Unbelievable. Let's put that one down. This one has to be probably my favorite of the set though, the 96 Honda 180 SX Type X. Just gorgeous. I myself am a Nissan classic car owner. I have a 300ZX, so that's why I like this one so much. Bit of a cleaner brake on that one. Try not to get any thumbprints on it. Love those co-mold wheels. Well, they're not co-mold, but the molding of the wheel with the rubber tires. Extreme details. Really fantastic. Look at the exhaust pipe and the muffler. Wow. Such a nice paint job. The quality on these cars is second to none. Just reflecting and glistening away. Now this car has 6 basic wheeled releases in the past, first released in 2015. This, I believe, is the first premium release of this car. Another first premium release. Okay, now onto the 95 Mazda RX-7. This was also in Hagerty's top 10 cars that are appreciating the most quickly for this year and increasing. One last look at that amazing artwork. Check it out. So authentic. The wheels look terrific on this car. Solid yellow paint job. No flaws on any of these cars. No flashing issues. No thin paint. No misaligned tampos. Quality control is very high at Mattel these days with their premium release cars especially. Well, check out that license plate. Just a whole bunch of X's. Now this car has had 6 basic wheeled releases in the past, first starting in 2017. It has been featured with 2 premium releases as well. One in the Fast and the Furious premium set. Oh, sorry, only one previous premium set. The other was a regular Fast and the Furious series. So this is only the second time we've seen this car with the premium packaging from Mattel. One last car to check out, Nissan Silvia S15. Check it out. Love the black wheels. The pearl white paint job. You can smell the paint from here, it's so fresh. All black painted base. Lots of details with the exhaust, suspension. This car has had only 2 previous releases. Both of them were premium releases. One was in 2018 for the Replica Entertainment Series, Forza to be specific, a Forza set, and the other was this year in the Fast and the Furious Premium Series. Five teen, is that what it's saying? Regardless. Thankfully, as I said, I had a whole nother set of these cars. And that was how I was able to do this, because honestly, with the packaging the way it was, had I only been able to get one, or had I had to buy it on eBay and only be able to afford one set, I don't know that I would have been able to do this, but I certainly am happy to be able to show you these vehicles. What a beautiful display of some of the finest Hot Wheels cars I have had the privilege of adding to my collection this year. Happy hunting. Enjoy your summer.